Hakasi ka Sorkar jala kala penlaw ya ka program ya merjemut bagi pajba ka thain ranikor haka block level community interaction program lingba ka CM Connect kata haka arpusau terigu kula lengkot araja arpusan Myntri Rangbah ka jala konrad ke sangma ulah hukum ya ki Ophisar bagi daiban pensitom ya ki nu ginong Trei ki bawan Trei haka Shoh Khawïang. Kini kejingkran jang Myntri Rangbah kala wan hadin baka wei kalong kemi kala pla hak marjang bakala lap badan ki Ophisar ki Trei ya kakam hakapor bagi Shoh Khawïang. Kumta Myntri Rangbah ulah khot yo range officer ka nongstan bat ban bu jingkli da ka baong badeban pensitom ting ya ki bakum kita.
The people who respond very late, they don't come, and even if they come, all the people who come are all drunk, and then they not able to do any work. So this is a serious issue. So while in the long term we cannot handle man-animal conflict in a sustainable manner, but the quick response is necessary so that people are safe. Our responsibility is to keep our people safe. So where is our range officer? Nongstoy range officer? And Mokurwat beat officer? Are you sending drunk people to them?
No sir, we are trying our best whenever we receive complaints from these areas, we are sending our teams as soon as possible, whenever possible. We are based at Mokurwat, so sometimes it might delay a little bit for us to reach from Mokurwat to here. But
they say not hours, days delay.
No.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlo ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukam shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Kan nutrition bakam bhag kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya.